Yeah, hello everybody. My name is Ahmed Olatunji, and we're going to be continuing from the problems that we are to solve. We're going to be using Excel to solve those problems. Now, we solved the first one. This is the second one. The second one is time value of money, meaning how does your money grows over time. The amount of money today cannot be the amount of money in the next 2, 3 years. So your money grows over time. I know there was my teacher taught me in class then that if you win a lottery today, and they ask you if you want your money in the future, maybe in the next 5 years, tell them no, that you want your money now. Because the amount of money today is different from the amount of money in the next 5 years, because money grows with time. Now, let's solve this problem number two. It says you plan to buy a house, a beautiful house for that matter, and you will need $30,000 saved as a down payment. $30,000 is what you need as a down payment. It means you don't have the $30,000 now, but that is what you will need as a down payment for the house you want to buy. If you set aside 20,000 in a high yield savings account, that is, if you take your $20,000 now, you have your $20,000 in a high yield savings account that earns 4.5%. Okay. How long does it take to save up to the down payment? I think what you are looking for now is how long, that is the number of years it will take you for this 4.5 to yield to $30,000. And I'm going to explain. Now, $30,000 is not the money you have now. $30,000 is the amount of down payment, which you don't have now, right? So definitely 30,000 is our future value, right? Future values, the money you have, the money you want to use in the future. Now, if you set aside 20,000, what does it mean to set aside 20,000? It means you have the $20,000 now. That will be your present value. Your present value. In a high yield savings account that ends 4.5. So your 4.5 is your rate. Sorry. Your 4.5 will be your rate, which is 4.5%. Or if you're using a calculator, it's going to be I stroke Y equals to 4.5. Yes. How long? Now we're looking for the number of years it's going to take us to get to 30,000, and we don't have anything like payments. There's no payments here. So now we're just going to dive into Excel and input these numbers. Yeah, so this is our Excel. The first thing you need to write on Excel is equal to sign. If you're not writing an equal to sign, it means you're just typing. So equal to sign. Remember, what you are looking for is our end par. End par. So your end par will be what it will be here. See, you brought it out. So your end par. Now, the first thing is asking you for is rate. What is your rate? 4.5%. 4.5% is 0.045. Comma. It moves to payment. What's your payment? Your payment is zero. Payment is just, payment maybe every quarter, every year. Yeah, payment. So present value, your present value is $20,000. Now, because your present value is $20,000 and you're dropping that $20,000 as an investment, it's going to be a negative sign. One must be a negative sign, either a PV or a FV. You have to put negative there. Now, your future value is 30,000. Very simple. Uh, Maybe it's in the beginning of the year or at the end. You don't need to bother about that now. But it could be at the beginning of the year, which is 1. So close it and press enter. Simple as ABC. So it takes 9.2, that's 9 years, 9 years and maybe 2 months for you to get to $30,000 with the rate of 4.5. So the answer is 9.21. Simple as ABC. If you have any question, don't hesitate to let me know. Thank you.